cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid Max, and we're going to do the decal installation for the bezel right here. So this is how it looks before doing the installation. It's just your regular bumper paint, and this is how it looks after the installation. So for this video we used the gloss black material in order to match it with the lower lip that was installed. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation for the decal, first we're going to need to prep this section of the bezel where the fog light is located. So we can use this solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water, so it's our soapy water. And if you have it available, you can also create this solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. This one is just used to help remove any hard contaminants that the paint may have, but I would recommend just using the slip solution for this part, since we are on the paint area. Just soapy water should be enough. So just spray your soapy water onto your clean microfiber towel and just help remove any contaminants around this area here, and then make sure everything is completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel. And if you already have any small rock chips, the film will still show that area there because it will try to fill in that hole or where the chip is located, so keep that in mind. Okay, so when you have the bezel decal here, this one, it's a two-piece installation, so we're working on the passenger side. So this is how the passenger side will look. So we're going to start with piece number one, which is this one right here. So for piece number one, just follow this design here to here, to match it there to the curve. So it should be like this, and give yourself material, that way you're able to cover the entire paint here, and then you could tuck in the film inside here, and then the rest should just fall into place like this. You can lift and adjust it as needed. That way you follow this design here up to the edge here. And you can lift as needed, like I mentioned, and then with your squeegee, tack it down, remove any fingers, any air bubbles, and right here you could tuck in the film underneath the bezel. Just be careful, and that's pretty much it for this part. Okay, and then you would just grab a heat gun or a heat device that you may have, or a hairdryer, and then just apply heat to seal the edges here. Okay, and then for piece number two, this one here, this one you're just going to have to work your way little by little, since this section covers this side here. So it does have that same curved design, so align it to this edge here, so like this and like that. Should be good. And this section here, just hold the film with one hand and align it using this section here, and it wraps here, and then just finish off here and we should be good. And then just apply heat to seal the edges, that way we help also the adhesive activate faster and the film doesn't lift over time. Okay, and then once you're done with the installation, make sure, like I mentioned, just apply heat everywhere, so post heat, that way we help the adhesive activate faster and it stays tacked down. So that concludes the installation video for the decal bezel installation for the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid Max. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.